My name is Thomas Wilson. I'm VP of Product Management at CogniVue Corporation, and we're here at the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. We are spending the week with various meetings with customers, and part of what we're doing is demonstrating applications running on our Apex image cognition processing IP. This is to accelerate embedded vision processing at extremely low power. And we have something like about 100 times performance per power advantage over conventional processing platforms. We have a variety of application demos here, some of them for the automotive market and some for the consumer market, and I'll show you both. We also have application demonstrations running on our Generation 1 Apex processing IP, as well as our Generation 2 Apex processing IP. So let me just run you through a few of these application demos that we're using to show our algorithm expertise, our application development expertise, as well as the performance advantages of the Apex processing IP. So for example, on the first generation Apex processing IP, we're showing a lane departure warning demonstration running on our RDK. This is our development platform for the Generation 1 Apex. We also are showing a forward collision warning application for forward-facing ADAS, and these are both running on our RDK development board. We have another kind of development platform for the Generation 1 Apex. It's called our Prototype Development Kit. This is a small smart camera with our CV2201 image cognition processor. This is also sold through Freescale as the SCP-2200. This is the automotive version of our PDK, and the application that we have running here is what we call Rear View. Now, Rear View is a smart backup camera application. It does all of the various kinds of scene view things that you would expect with a smart backup camera. It does the distortion correction, de-warp, top-down view, and various kinds of image transformations like that. But it's also doing very sophisticated computer vision, embedded vision processing in a very small smart camera. And in this case, it's doing object detection and distance estimation. And that is distance estimation with one camera. So it's a monocular distance estimation implementation. We actually have patents around the algorithms that are used to do this kind of distance estimation with one camera. So that when the vehicle moves closer to the object, it detects the object and gives the driver an indication of their proximity to that object. We are licensing that software to Tier 1s and OEMs in the automotive market. Now, the Consumer Electronics Show is taking on more of an automotive focus, but you really can't be at the Consumer Electronics Show without showing some consumer products. And in that case, we have something called the N2 Smart Pen. And this is a new smart pen product from an exciting company in Korea called NeoLab Convergence. They've used our Generation 1 Apex in our SoC, the CV2201, to greatly accelerate the algorithms, the embedded vision algorithms that they use in a smart pen product. What that has enabled them to do is produce really the smallest, lowest power, highest performance smart pen product on the market currently. They have about twice the processing performance of the nearest competitive smart pen, but also the longest battery life. So what the Apex enables them to do is run their algorithms at 120 frames per second, but also have a very long battery life. It's a very exciting product that's just gone into production, and we'll be making an announcement this week about the N2 Smart Pen. Now, we're also showing application demonstrations running on our Generation 2 Apex. This is shown here. The Generation 2 Apex is implemented in an FPGA. It's a very sort of cut down version of the Apex IP, which is very scalable and can do very high performance forward-facing ADAS applications, for example. It's also clocked down, but regardless of it being sort of a smaller version and clocked down version of our Generation 2 Apex processing IP, it's running real-time applications for lane departure warning and for blind spot detection.